Daryl here with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Here's a 2018 Toyota Corolla. Nice little car, dark blue in color. I've got it running. It's at the shop getting a windshield put on it. You can see some wear down here from rock chipping. The car does have a clear bra. You can see the line of the clear bra as it goes across all the way. So it does cover this part of the car. And it covers here, and it covers here. So all of this is covered with a clear bra. Windshield's cracked, but it's badly, but it's getting a new windshield today. Tires are, as you can see, tires are good. There's a scratch right here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. It's been detailed, but it's got dusty sitting out here. Power windows and locks. Seats are good. There's some wear right here. Looks like maybe it was, can't really tell, but there's been a stain. They got out as well as they could. AM/FM radio, USB ports, cruise control. Let's see, what else? I got automatic headlights. I was trying to see if that cruise, oh, it's adaptive cruise. It said radar ready when I turned it on. Open the trunk here. Let's look at the back seat. Back looks good. Floor mats are in place. I took this car and trade myself. So local owner. Trunk's got plenty of room in it. Seats fold over. Spare tire and jack. It's an SE Trim. Another rear tire. I like personally that blue. I like blue, so it's one of my favorite colors. And I just like the way the blue is carried on the inside. Passenger side, there's a, oh, that was just dirt. Little ding right there. Little door ding. Paint's not messed up or anything. Got the nice floor mats in it. Owner's manual. Headliner's in good shape. Overall, the car's in excellent shape. I don't think you'd go wrong with it. Oh, that clear bra extends clear up here as well. They put it on this A-pillar right here. I didn't see it on the other side. It's on the backs of the mirrors. Now I gotta walk around and see if it's on the other side, because I'm curious. What can I tell you? Yep, right there. Yep, comes clear up to here. Okay, well, there you have it. 2018 Toyota Corolla. Excellent shape. This will make you a great car.